Yeah, like I say, another really good strong spell is lightning. Okay. So we got ourselves another skeleton warrior. Alright. 2 more people to level here. Let's see, with the archer... let's do... let's go ahead and put all 4 to the dodge. Because then when we add 2 more, then we can use... it'll double his evasion capabilities. So we'll go ahead and do that. Let's see, this guy. Spellcraft. Staff defense. We'll put 1 for each of those. And we'll build up his... you know, earth magic doesn't really do all that much as far as I remember. Let's just go ahead and focus on air. Air magic is what gives you the lightning or the shock spell. Earth magic is poison, it's pretty good, but really fire and lightning, at least from what I remember, is really like the best of the best of the spells anyway. So that opens up that. That opens up that one. And we'll go ahead and use our stones. Throw a stone and open the floors. And now we've got a bow that way I can finally start using for my archer. And we'll use the poison arrows. How's everybody doing for food? Okay. So, yeah.